Okay, in this step I want to show you how to configure your autoresponder with your funnel. So what you do is click on Builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect, My Sites, click on Edit, okay, actually the first thing that we need to do is create a list for that funnel, otherwise it will not find it. So we need to click here in Mailingboss, welcome to Mailingbox, just click that, that will take you to Mailingbox. Okay, it already auto-populated your name in here, just click next. And you'll have to fill out this, just fill out your name in here and your website URL, that's 7-day free trial. If you want to, you can. And default sending email, just click next here. And your city and address, you'll have to fill all that out, very simple to do. Just click next after you've done that. Okay, it will actually not let me do that because I need to, let's just do this really quick. TES test, your website, testest.com. Default is your email address that you want to send test at JOHNSMOTHSmith.com, and same thing over there, or TZ, copy, okay, whatever. You just hit next. Actually, we need to select the country. Oh, okay, we cannot leave this blank. Okay, sorry, we have to fill that out, so next. Alright, address. I'm just doing this for testing purpose. Select country. Whatever country you are in, hit next. Okay. So now we want to create a list. This is just TES test. This will be just for your reference, so you can name it whatever you want. Just so you know what the list is for. Description, you fill that out a little bit. Continue. It's really simple to do. Okay, here's the list name. Opt-in, you want to hit single opt-in, single opt-out. Next. You click this button here, create first name as well. This will capture the email and first name, and go save changes. Okay, that's it. And so this is the first email. That's all you need to do. Save and next. Thank you page. You can just select. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now let's go to let's go back to the editor and edit this pop-up button. If you remember, right, it's in here. You hit that plus sign button, pop up, and then view the subscribe button. It'll come up. Okay, so you want to right click in this button. Click on Configure, Mailingboss. Create the list that you just made, test, create it. Okay. And change URL. Never mind. Page. Actually, I don't need to do that. You can just select it in here. I didn't have to copy it. So first step, that's where you wanted to go. Hit OK. Same thing here. Page. Step 1. Hit OK. And this one you can just direct back to the capture page. Email Optum 1. Hit OK. Confirm. Okay, now it's configured. The email autoresponder shall work. Now let's go get the emails in step 5 where it says download the emails for your autoresponder. Okay, so click here to download the emails that you receive. I'm just gonna view it from a different tab. So all you would do is open up the PDF to download the emails. Okay, so here is the email for the first day email. Just copy the subject line and go back to Mailingboss. Let's create a campaign. Okay, create new sequence. Create campaign. Let's test again. Continue. Test, and this is the list that you want. You can select the list that you want. And here, test list, regular, you want to choose autoresponder, choose sequence, choose segments. That's okay, we don't need that right now. Don't need that right now. And save and next. Okay, right here's the subject line. That's where you paste it in. Okay, save and next. Okay, let's go get the email from here. Copy. Go back to Mailingboss. Just delete all this in here. Paste. Okay, and you can just space it out however you need to get it to your liking. Space it out to make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, that's fine. So now What you want to do here is make let's see, you haven't checked out. You can do it here. Click here. Make this a hyperlink, and you want to get day 1. Let's just get out of here. The first day, the first training, day 1 is what you want to put in there. I'll show you here in step 1. Okay, let's just go to step 1 page here, copy that link. Okay, which is this link here. You copy this link all the way. Oops. Copy this link. Go back into Mailingboss. You hit this little link button here and paste that link in here. Okay, and that link is now live. Do the same thing here. Watch training, go here to watch. You make this clickable here. Paste. Okay. And hit save and next. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. Let's go ahead and see if that funnel works. But the rest of them, just do all the rest of them emails like that, all 7 days. And let's just go ahead and test that funnel out right now. And make sure everything works. And see if the email will actually subscribe into the autoresponder, just to make sure everything works correctly. And here, that will be the link that you promote. And see if it works in here. Okay, so let's give it another go. Click this link. Pop-up should come up. Okay. Oh yeah, we can change that too yet. Let's just go John Smith in there. John, give me the funnel. This email address is blacklisted. Okay, it's actually an email that's already been used before, so it will not allow me to do that. Let's see if I can just do this. Test at testing testing.com. See if that works. Nope. Okay. Okay. Okay, great. It worked. So let's just go back to the main dashboard and see if it actually came up in a dashboard over here. In the main dashboard. See, there you go. 1 unique subscriber, 2 email list, website built, the one that is in there. Let's go to the Mailing Boss and see if it actually came, the email came in there. Subscribers. Okay, there you go. You have 1 subscriber. Congratulations. Alright, that's it. I think at this steps, that's all you need to do. And we'll see you on step 6.